If you love taking photos, the Stage Power Grip from Belkin, and if you love creating content, the Stage Creator Kit from Belkin might be just perfect for you. This is a tripod with magnetic attach and microphones included for 200 Aussie dollars. The idea behind the Power Grip is it's like using a camera in the old days. Simple, easy to hold, very easy to control with a camera shutter, and of course it's a battery as well, so you're getting extra battery power. You pair it by pushing and holding this button here to turn on Bluetooth. Then among all those devices, we simply pair it with the Power Grip. So in camera mode, we simply point and shoot. Video mode, same deal. Magnetic attach to charge, but also if you're charging other things, there is a retractable USB-C cord. But this one's the most exciting. This is a full tripod and microphone system, so content creators out of the box, ready to go. Now, 200 bucks, it's pretty good value given you'll pay about 150 bucks for this Rode microphone. So let's see how it looks and sounds with Belkin. All right, look, it's simple, it's basic, it's plastic, but it's 200 bucks, and that's not the tripod you're paying for. It's probably more like you're paying 50 bucks for the tripod. And what the value is this guy here. This are the Creator microphones from Belkin. So let's put them on, have a listen, see how they sound. All right, I'm going to put it here so that you can see both in action. So this is pretty simple. It has a USB-C connector. I'm using the front camera on an iPhone Air here and a front camera on a 17 there. These little microphones do have plastic clips as well, so you can actually clip them on. And they also have the magnetic attach. So I'm going to go with the magnet like I've been using with the Rode here. It looks like that's the actual microphone there. Very circular approach here. Look, I couldn't tell you what all the other bits means. Looks like you can also hang it on a chain if you wanted to, but let's put it on there. Magnetic attach, pointing out the exact same direction. Let's hit record there. Okay, so now I'm recording over there with the Rode microphones. This is me talking on the Rode microphone, the wireless micro, top-end stuff from Rode on the iPhone 17 Pro there. And here I'm recording audio with the BELKIN Creator Kit. I can see that it's lit up. I can see that I think it knows there's one microphone, and this is the sound of that. I'm just going to check what the little lights on the front mean. If I bring out this microphone as well and pair it, it should automatically attach, and I can see two lights showing there's two microphones attached. That's the second one. Put that away, done deal. And so yeah, look at that. Fully wireless, easy to use, 200 Aussie dollars, tripod, magnetic attach, and a microphone, which, I don't know, you tell me. Does it sound as good as the Rode? All in all, a pretty impressive kit from Belkin here. Tripod, magnetic attach, and microphones, 200 Aussie dollars.